So in this video, I'll take you from SaaS idea to getting your first 100 users. This is how I would do it. This is how I'm currently doing it. Let's go. Now, the first thing you want to do is have your ideal customer profile. So who is suffering the most? Who deeply needs your product? You want to write that down. You want to make sure you know where they hang out. You can use AI for this. You can do some research tools to build a unique ideal customer profile. Be as specific as possible. The second thing is that you know where they hang out, so you want to start going into groups. I recommend Slack, Facebook, WhatsApp groups, and Reddit. The issue of how to Reddit is like they don't like promotion. I have been banned on Reddit multiple times, but it's a good place for you to promote your SaaS. What you want to do in these groups as a general rule, before you promote, you want to make sure that you're actively contributing to the community. So listen to their pain points, offer advice, engage with them, get to know them a little bit before you plug in your solution. Third thing to do is actually build a solution. So either you have an MVP or some sort of free tool that gives value. It could be a PDF, it could be an AI tool, whatever just gives value. You want to make sure you build that, and then you want to drive traffic to these people. What you do next is that you collect emails. So on the landing page for your free tool, make sure there's a section where you can collect emails. This is the most important thing. You want to retarget people, and the only way you can do that is when you send them emails. The next thing I'll do is to win on SEO. So pick maximum of 3 keywords. Own it. Be the go-to person. Be the best person whenever it comes to these keywords. It doesn't matter if the keyword doesn't have the biggest volume in the world. You just want to make sure that you win on these keywords. So start writing blog articles. The next thing you do is video content. So to go along with your blog articles, start making videos. Videos are so powerful. I really like YouTube because of the compounding effect. You post a video today, 3 months from now, people can revisit that video. So you want to make sure that you're posting regularly on YouTube and your blog. Another great way to get users is TikTok content. Now, this one is going to take a long time, but you want to be posting every day on TikTok, relevant content to your ideal customer profile. It's going to take a long time, but it's worth it because you're building an audience, you're building a community. And the reason why I like TikTok is it has a very good recommendation engine. So they try to show your content to the right people. So make sure you use the right hashtags, you're posting consistently, your content is valuable, then you should start getting eyeballs to your content. So if you do these things for a few months, you have to be consistent. Marketing takes more time and is more brutal than building. So you want to think about 3 months minimum, but within 3 months, you should start getting your first users, and hopefully you get 100 and 1,000 users within these 3 months. I hope you enjoyed that video. This is my SaaS growth system on how to get your first 100 users.